Hello my lovelies, and here I am with my finished Jubilee Afternoon Tea Journal. So we did a bit of this together, and yeah, she's now finished and just love her so much. So let's have a look. 5.5, roughly 5.5 by 8.5. Nice little dinky journal. I haven't got a tie on it. I've tried not to overstuff it. There are quite a few journaling cards and things that I have put in there with my ribbon paper clips. They can all be removed, whoever buys it, if they want to take all those out and have it laying a little flatter. That is possible to do. So on the front, I mean, it's got this gorgeous cups and saucers and teapot on there. It has got a spine here which is roughly about 1 inch, and on the front there is a really old piece of Italian hemp. And then look at these. I've had these a while and I've been dying to use them. That's a custard cream clip and that's a cake clip. Love it. Then I've got one of the big cards from our kit, Jubilee Tea Party, and are just gorgeous. Backed it with some bit of shiny card for the Platinum Jubilee of our beloved Queen, and then I've put some wool and seam binding in there. You can put whatever you like in the pocket, really. I just liked that on there. Okay, so let's take a look inside. So there's plenty to play with in here. Loads of ephemera. There's 2 different kits. There's the Pages kit and the ephemera kit, and I've really had fun making this. So we've got a pocket here, and what I've done with this tag is I've tied it up there so you've got some secret journaling space. So you take the ribbon off, you've got some secret journal. I like making secret journal tags, and it's got some lovely seam binding on there. And again, plenty of tabs. I've got an old recipe book that my mum gave me that had all sorts of tabs on the side, and you wrote on what each section was. So I've sort of put some writing on the sides. Doesn't necessarily mean that's a section, but I liked the look of it. And there are original recipes in here. Here I've just made a little pocket, a journaling card there. 2 little pockets, and we've got some little cakeys in there, you know, enough to put a couple of words on the back. Another recipe page, and then clipped on here, this opens out, more journaling space, one of the large tags, backed with some nice cream card and some sari silk. Here we've got a corner tuck, another one of the large journaling cards from the kit. I love this. I haven't got much of this. It's like shimmery, goldy, platinumy looking card. Gorgeous. Threads coming off. We've got a little tuck pocket there. Again, another one of the large journaling cards there. Here we've got a little pocket, and I've tucked some tickets and some little pieces of cake, ephemera. So whoever gets it can do what they want with it. Here I've made, it's got a belly band journaling card. Look at that, I love that. I found all sorts of bits and bobs of old paper, fancy paper in my stash, so I've put them in here. Another journal card there, some sari and seam binding on the one at the back. So there's, you know, plenty of frou-frou, as I like to call it, got a tab there, says tea cake. Here we've got the middle of the first signature, and yeah, we've got 2 little tabs on there. Corner pocket with a little journaling spot there. I've also put some of my own sewn pieces of fabric in here, and either hand sewn or machine sewn. You know, it wouldn't be me if I didn't put those sorts of things in. Another little thin belly band, and there we have a nice journaling card with fabric tab on the top. Again, a little Italian hemp pocket there with some invoice in there. Take the little clip off. As I say, you can see all these, you don't have to keep them in. Love these journaling cards, and look at that paper, fabulous. I love that. Love that. I sound a bit croaky. I seem to have lost my voice today. Another pocket there, nice journaling card. I love these with the original black and white photos on the back, and then David superimposed some colourful crockery on the fronts. Here we have another corner pocket, and it's got some tickets and a little ingredients list there for sultana cake. It has got our own tea dyed. Have we got any? Yeah, I think there might be. I'm just looking to see if I've got any avocado. No, I think it's mainly tea dyed actually in this one. We've got an invoice, piece of an invoice out the kit there. This one says custard tart. This lovely cup. So we have got a fold out. It's got a little tuck spot inside there. I love this card. Love this. My favourite pink teapot. And that's just inside a little pocket. There, we're made with some invoice from the kit. Tea dyed paper. Again, we've got a little pocket there. And we have a tag. I'm trying to put this in on an angle and I can't get it in now. It's typical, isn't it? There we go. And then here we have a little journaling spot there, but also cooking recipe, and a little tag from the kit, some seam binding. Here we have a little flip, and it just tucks behind that cake. Then in the middle, well, you don't have to have it in the middle, you could have it wherever you like. I've made a dangle, so I've used some of the tickets from the kit to make the dangle, and because we are Platinum Jubilee for Her Majesty the Queen, the dangles have all got crowns. We've got a silver gold representing Silver Jubilee, Gold Jubilee and Platinum there. So I've just put them in there just to keep them from getting damaged really. You can have them where you like. Again, here we've got some of the labels that you can write on there if you want. We've got a lovely writing journal card, little booklet there. Here we've got some little pockets with the cakes, and we've got all sorts of little bit itty bitty tickets and things inside there. Again, we've got a top pocket there with some ephemera in, and then at the bottom we've got this recipe for treacle loaf and a little cake. Tickets making a pocket. Here we've got some of my hand marbled paper back in that lovely journaling card, and one of the round tags from the kit with some buttermilk seam binding that says shortbread. Here we have a tuck. I'm not going to pull it out because I think I'm at a funny angle and I don't want it to tear. Yeah. But this actually comes out and it's a tri-fold. Iced buns. There's another pocket with a round tag. Here we've got another little flip, and it just tucks behind that basket of toffees. Apple slice. It's cute, isn't it? I love it. I love it. Here we have a side pocket, and then again a little journaling card with a sewn tab on there. That's a recipe for afternoon tea scones. There's a debate in here, UK, whether they call them scones or scones. Depends. We tend to call them scones in the north. Lovely big journaling card there. And a corner pocket with a lovely gatto tag there. Here we have some journaling space. Just folded that invoice from the kit up with one of my ribbon tags. This one says vanilla slice. I love vanilla slice. I love vanilla slices. And then here we have a tag. Lovely big tag. Let's take that off a minute so that I'm not damaging it. And a little ticket there, which goes inside this little cup pocket on the front. Again, we're in the middle of the second signature, and we've got some lovely tabs there. Here we've just got a little ticket in there to hold this in place. Again, extra journaling space, bit of secret journaling again in there, and that just tucks in there. This one here, we've got a side pocket, and it's got a little recipe in there. So you could easily use this to put add your own recipes to it, with also, you know, little bits of tradition from the UK, from Great Britain. There we are again. We've just got a little journaling spot there. Homemade jam, that one says. Here we've got another one of the tri-folds. This one I didn't. On the other one, what I've done is I've used it as a belly band, but this one I've clipped it in. So actual fact, you just take the little, see which is the easiest way to take it off. That's it. Take your little belly band off. And this is a little writing spot, and it's got loads of the recipe cards inside, so you can make some notes on the back of that if you want, but I can't get it back in now. It's like those things, you have to have them just at the right angle to get things like this back in. That's it. There we go. And that just clips on the top, so again you can put them wherever you like. If you buy this, we've got some chocolate brownies there. Here we've got a fold over and one of the nice journaling cards there. There we are, we've got a side pocket there, and again another journaling card. So plenty of additions to this one for you to use. Here we've got a little pocket, put whatever you want in there. And then here we've got some tickets, and I've written on these, so these can just be torn out if you want and stuck on. I'll put Bakewell tart, custard creams, apple charlotte, shortbread biscuits, melting moments, coconut tart, apple slice, date and walnut cake, vanilla slice and treacle sponge. All my faves. Here we've got a top pocket with another lovely journaling card with some sewn hemp on there. That says jam tarts. Fluffy cakes. All the recipes are real recipes from, we've got the original vintage recipe book. Lovely big tag there with some gorgeous, I love this seam binding, the colour of that one. Beautiful, like it's just a really pretty blue. Here we've got a corner pocket, and it's just got some little pieces of ephemera in there. And on here it says iced fingers. Here we've got another of the large tags with that lovely card, glittery card at the back. And again, that's got one of my sewn tabs, and that just goes in there. And then here we are at the back, and in this back pocket we have a little journaling card for breakfast rolls and rock cakes. And then here, this is handmade paper. You can see it's got real leaves in there, and inside birthday cake recipe. And I thought that just fitted nicely in there. So there we go. Hope you've enjoyed that. This should be going into the shop today as we're filming this. As always, if it's not in the shop yet and you want to purchase this, I always give everybody from the my YouTube subscribers first dibs. So yeah, the email is down below to get in touch. Okay then, so thanks for joining me. Take care out there. Bye for now.